Hi to everyone! Today I will show you the recipe of Struffolis. That is a traditional Carnival recipe of Italy. Let's see how to do this.
Let's take a look at the ingredients.
You will need eggs, flour, water, honey, 3 cups of white sugar, and the colored sugar decoration. It's better if you have the colored one, but I don't have this at the moment, so I will use the white one. You can do this recipe by hands, but I think that if you are a busy woman, it's better if you use a machine like this, because it's very easy to do Struffoli and you will do this very happy. So let's put our ingredients into the machine. Eggs
And flavor. Oh. And start to mix.
After about 10 minutes, you can stop the machine.
Keep your mix out. Okay,
This is the final result.
and put into the film, plastic film, like this. Okay. From now, you have to wait 30 minutes to do your struffoli.
Before start to cutting our struffolis, you have to put the oil to boil. This is very important thing because oil is the secret of struffolis. So if the oil is very hot, you will have the best result. So start to do our struffoli. We have to cut our mix in little pieces. It's very important to work with a little piece every time because you have to do a little snake, very teeny. It's important because you have to cut the snake in little pieces, and when these little pieces will be cooked in the oil, they will become very big. So if you start from little pieces, you will have the best result. I will use a smooth knife to cut our struffolis. It's very important the kind of knife you will use. As you can see, this is the knife of my grandmother. It is 70 years old. It's very ugly, but it's very useful to do fresh pasta like orecchiette, gnocchi, and everything like this. Keep going to cut our struffolis and put it into a dish when you have 50 or 60 pieces like this. Now you have to put it into the oil. The oil have to be very hot, about 170 degrees. They will take about 3 or 4 minutes to cook. You will see that they are cooked when they are very colored like the sun. Okay, that's the moment when you have to keep out it from the oil and put them into a dish. Here we are to the final step of struffolis. Put the pot on the fire and keep in water, sugar, and wait 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you have to put into the pot also the honey, 500 grams. When they are dissolved, you can put your piece of struffolis into your pot and mix it for about 3 or 4 minutes. When you see that your struffolis are combined with the honey, they are ready. If you like, you can set them up in the shape of a mountain, put the sugar decoration on, wait for it to get cold and eat it. Buon appetito! Enjoy your meal!